So actually, the biggest challenge for us, for instance, that we are also sourcing some parts from other suppliers, but that is at the whole industrial level, quality level, sometimes they are different. Yeah. So maybe some of them are quite good, and some of them are still, for instance, in their conformity of production is still not so good. So this is the biggest challenge for us, how to extend our quality control to the supply chain.
One interesting fact that we found out in China is that as of now, there is no homegrown domestic market for ATVs. They don't ride ATVs in China. All are exported to other countries.
The ATV market in China is still at the very beginning because of the following reasons. First, people just got to know this product and how to play. Secondly, most people, that ATV is actually a big toy for most people. And these people are just getting, let's say, rich enough to buy one big toy for them. So the percentage of our sales in the domestic market is very small, but it's getting better. The second most important reason is the laws and regulations in China still does not allow the ATV products either on-road or off-road. And this also limits the sales of our ATV products. But we do believe that once we have the relevant laws passed, for sure we can also earn a very good market share in China because the CF Moto ATV products have already been well known in China.